What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, we got some major activity on the horizon for tomorrow, and I want to make sure that we lock, loaded, and ready to go for all that is to come. If you don't know, guys, we have the Fed meeting tomorrow, which is anticipated that we'll have another rate hike. Some are anticipating 75% or 75 basis points, and others are even leaving out hope for a 1% basis rate hike, guys. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and take a look at this, guys. Check this out. The target rate probabilities for this September 21st Fed meeting, 82% is baked in, guys. So a lot of what happens in the market is they price stuff in. It's a mechanism of trying to anticipate and already have this into the market. So the market is at 82% chance that they think it's going to be a 75 basis point rate hike. Okay, but check this out, guys. There's an 18% chance that we might do a 100 basis point rate hike, or 1%. Okay, many people want the 1% because they can just get it over with. We can quit babying the market. We can get this bear market over with. We can get things under control. Okay, however, they've been slow playing it, relying on the data and things like that, so it's of course being drawn out. But nevertheless, guys, tomorrow at 2:30 all will be known, because it's going down. Okay, and when it's going down, you got to know it might be blood in the streets. There might be something unforeseen or unexpected that takes place. Therefore, I want you guys to be ready for it all. And then check this out, guys. I've been slowly trying to introduce the VIX to you all so that you know how to incorporate it into your trading. I told you above 24. So if it go to 24, 25, 26, 27, you're going to have a lot more volatility in the stock market. Today, guys, the VIX closed at 27.16. So that means it was a volatile market. And then leading into tomorrow with this whole Fed meeting, it could possibly test 28 on tomorrow. And if it hit 28, guys, it could very well go to 30. And if it goes to 30, I'm just letting y'all know off top, man, the market will crash. Okay, all your stocks will come down. It's just the name of the game. Okay, do me a favor, make sure you check out the VIX. If you're trying to make any moves on tomorrow, if you're trying to make any money on tomorrow, always be abreast of what levels the VIX are sitting at. Okay, if it's coming lower, so if it was at 27 and it started coming down to 26 and 25 and 24, then your stocks are going to be going up during that time period. Okay, we love to see the market rally, but typically when the market rallies, the VIX is under 20. Okay, sitting way up here at 27, kind of knocking on the door of 30. Guys, you're in a volatile market, so I need you to be cautious and protect yourself. Okay, and then next up, guys, look at this, man. I want to also introduce this to you. So I want you to know all the tricks of the trade, if you will. Okay, this is the dollar index DXY. Okay, this one is constantly making new all-time highs, dang near every day, sitting at 110 right now at the time of this recording, guys. Again, as this goes up, stocks will go down. As the VIX goes up, stocks will go down. Okay, I'll slowly introduce you to all the different vehicles that are out there that you can use as a contrarian indicator. So you know, if this is doing this, your stocks is going to do this. But when this come down, your stocks will go up. Okay, so nevertheless, guys, the DXY is something I want to put on you guys. I want you to be mindful of. A strong dollar is not good for equities. Okay, you just need to know and understand that. Okay, so again, guys, the VIX is already up, the DXY is up. You got the treasury yields. Check this out, guys. The yields jumped on Tuesday. The 2-year US treasury note yield surged as high as 3.99. That's almost 4%, guys. And so people are saying right now, it makes more sense to be in bonds than to be in stocks. We can just sit in bonds and get 4% on our money. Why even waste our time with this volatility? Okay, so with the yields surging high as 3.99, basically 4%, is highest level since 2007. The yield on the 10-year treasury briefly touched 3.6%, which is the most since 2011. Investors expect that on Wednesday, the central bank will deliver its third consecutive 0.75 basis point rate hike to tame high inflation. A higher than expected CPI reading in August and hawkish comments on rate hikes from the Fed leaders have weighed on stocks, with more pressure likely ahead as the central bank continues to fight inflation. Listen, guys, I want you guys to understand more pain is on the way. All right. If you have followed anything I've taught you guys over the course of these last 6, 7, 8, 9 months, I want you to use it to your advantage tomorrow. Whether that's see profit, take profit, whether that's waiting for a setup you like, whether that's reacting versus gambling. Okay, listen, guys, manage your risks during these times. These are going to be some volatile times, and these type of events are binary occasions where, again, a lot can happen on a day like that's coming up tomorrow, I should say, like a Fed meeting. Just like you guys saw that Jackson Hole meeting they had, and it crashed the stock market, and the market went down quick, fast, and in a hurry, and many people couldn't recover. Okay, so guys, again, I need you guys to be on your P's and Q's and on your A game for tomorrow. And if not, just know it's okay to wait it out and watch. Okay, it's also a good time to be in cash, because as the market goes down, September is the worst month of the stock market, guys. And so between tomorrow and the rest of this week and then next week, you may see the market go down a little bit more before it begins to rally again. If that's the case, you guys know that's pick six season. You guys can do puts and begin to, again, make money, hedge against your positions while the stocks are going to the downside. That is one way you can take advantage of the volatility of a bear market, when you have stocks and when you have your equities, again, just underperforming on the year. Okay, typically it's all about your mindset. Okay, as investors, we look at this as a buying opportunity, and in this particular case, it's one of a lifetime. Okay, some people are panicking, some people are frustrated, some people are demoralized. Again, that's neither here nor there. Embrace these times. I was talking to somebody today. Embrace these times, because when the market is going up for 2 or 3 years in a row, and you like, man, I wish these stocks would come back to this price so I can buy my position at these levels and ride it up. You're going to wish you had the opportunity, if nothing else, to least dollar cost average. Okay, so guys, with that being said, man, we got a jam-packed day for tomorrow, and I want you guys to make sure you're ready to go. All right, now with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at Apple on today. We're going to kick it off with Apple, ticker symbol AAPL, sitting at $156.49 at the time of this recording. But Apple was absolutely in beast mode today. Okay, up over 1.5%, or $2.40. It was sitting as high as 157, went to 158 before the sellers came in and pushed it down. Apple was a money maker. I definitely did my thing with the calls on Apple today. Again, you take what you see. All right, everything might not be a put. This particular play, at least up and through 2 o'clock, was a great time to, again, do some calls. All right, and then towards the end of the day, it began to kind of finally show a little bit of weakness. Okay, but nevertheless, Apple was a beast on today, and I want you guys to keep your eye on this one, because this one held the SPY up even more than what it did, even though the SPY was getting whooped on today. Okay, but if Apple falls tomorrow, like breaks down past 155, it's a wrap. The SPY won't be able to, again, swim and try to stay above water. Okay, it's going to drown. It's going to get smacked. So be on the lookout. Put Apple on your watch list for tomorrow. I want you guys to look for levels to the upside of a retest of 158 if something positive happens, and to the downside, I want you guys to be looking out for a break of 155 down to maybe 153. Okay, and then, guys, I want you to take a look at Tesla. This one is sitting at 307.40. Okay, this one is still showing a lot of strength. Okay, right now it say it ended, we call this flat. All right, I'm not going to even write home about this. Tesla was sitting at 313 today. When I say, I'm looking like, what? Tesla is outperforming all the big mega tech stocks like Microsoft, Google, Amazon. Tesla is almost performing like a safe haven during these times. Again, guys, I'm just highlighting some achievers that did their thing on a day. Nevertheless, I want both of these on your watch list for tomorrow, as I want you guys to look for weakness or continued strength. Okay, you always got to go into the market with a game plan and an understanding of what's happening. So for instance, if tomorrow comes and everything is selling off, peek at Apple and peek at Tesla, see if they too are selling off, and then see if there's an opportunity for them to hit the levels we just discussed. Okay, now Tesla to the downside, just so you guys know, will be 303. Okay, then 300, and then 297. Okay, so look for those levels to the downside. Okay, but nevertheless, again, if they begin to rally for some odd reason, look and see the kind of strength they're showing. See, can they retest today's highs? Okay, 158 for Apple, 112, 113 for Tesla, but we want to see if we can finally break through. Again, you want to at least know both directions. Whether you choose to play it or not, you at least are aware of it, because information changes things. Listen, guys, I hope this was helpful, man. We got a jam-packed day on tomorrow, and we did have a jam-packed video. A lot of stuff to go over, but a lot of stuff that I hope helps prepare you for things to come on tomorrow. Okay, listen, guys, be cautious, be careful, but be surgical. All right, listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.